Hey y'all, welcome back. The housing market is booming. Folks are looking for ways to cash in on it. We have national home staging expert Jonathan Miller with us here live in the studio to talk about 5 trendy features that are boosting home sales. So good morning, Jonathan.
Good morning, Nisi.
Look, Jonathan's been up and early since 4:30 watching the show. So, I mean, you're a real team player here.
I have to know what you're reporting on, just in case, and it somehow ties in each time.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in here. What's the first feature that's going to help us boost home sales?
One, you need to clean up things, move them out, so that way you can actually show off the space they're selling, fixed assets. Anything that they're gonna buy is what you wanna showcase. So pull the furniture out from the walls, show off that you've got crown molding, do all that, show off the house.
Okay, yeah, take all the family pictures down and everything, because they need to see themselves in the space.
Exactly. You don't want them to come in and just be distracted by your beautiful family portrait.
Yeah.
You want them to actually come in and be like, oh, that wall needs something. Yeah. Oh, my family picture would be great there. So instead of them coming in and being like, oh, I have those shoes that she's wearing in that picture, and then they're not really paying attention to the house. It's not possibly their house at that point, then they're visiting someone. So you want to take all those down. A lot of times people are opposed whenever I tell them that, and they're like, but it's my home. And I'm like, but it's not gonna be. You want to move on and go ahead and get in that headspace that you're going to move into a new house. And with as fast as things are selling and as hard as they are to find, you want to give yourself every advantage possible.
See, that's really good. Y'all take notes right here. I hope you have your pen and paper ready. Okay, so according to New Home Trends Institute, 58% of architects and designers forecast the farmhouse to be among the top 5 house elevation styles in the next few years. So tell us more about this look.
So everybody knows Joanna. She brought it in. It was said earlier this year it was going to trend out. Didn't fully trend out the way it was predicted. It actually just took a modern twist. So they're doing modern farmhouse. Modern farmhouse has been around for about 200 years though. It just kind of stays because it's minimalist, it's clean lines, and you can add everything into it. So it's a very versatile space. It's going to make it, just popular forever. And people are taking some of the A-frame aspects and adding them to the modern farmhouse. So you're seeing an entire wall of windows versus part of it being wood. And who doesn't want to bring the outdoors in?
Yes, all that natural light. It's an instant mood booster and just keeps you productive. I love that. Yeah. So on the list, something else is simple. So many people overlook it. What is that trend that we're talking about?
It's probably going to be the shiplap.
Yes.
Everybody loves some shiplap, but there are some new takes on it. People are painting it different colors now. They're going with a lot of black. A lot of people are painting it black and they freak out. They're like, oh, a black wall. And I'm like, no, it adds this drama, but then you're able to showcase it. So when you think about you have a black wall, but you've got a beautiful piece of art, put the art on it, it's the feature at that point.
Okay, so. Look, I'm learning something new. A black wall, look, we're taking our notes here, okay? Trend number 4, heated floors. Yes.
Heated floors, especially on mornings like this, when you wake up and you're expecting it to be warm and spring-like and then it's cold. Feet hit the floor, it's not like on a hot summer and you want that cool floor. But the biggest thing about them is they save you on your heating bill because anything radiant heat's gonna rise, so it comes up and it's heating evenly. So then whatever room you have those floors in, it's gonna stay heated properly.
A heated bathroom floor. I've seen that feature so much on HGTV that I've been like, oh my gosh, that is awesome right here. Okay. The next big thing, we've talked about shiplap. Anything else that would be a big trending thing that people should know about, Jonathan?
Black hardware is also trending because for years we've struggled with brass or silver. Well, black, it's classic. It's going to be there throughout the ages, so you're always going to be able to use it. So whether you're selling or just changing it out, you're going to be able to enjoy it, and it's going to be an investment that's going to last. Okay.
Hey, and that is like an easy fix too that anybody can do. That's awesome. Jonathan, these tips have been absolutely fantastic. Tell everybody where they can find you online.
If you want to check out some of our work or see more tips like this, you can find us at J2RVA on all platforms.
Okay, awesome. And you can see some of his beautiful work. It is quite breathtaking to see the transformations take place. Jonathan, thank you so much for joining us this